continues. I got the engine today with exhaust and ignition and everything. The main thing now is to get the engine stuck in the chassis, and I already put the coupler in this. Wasn't very hard because I had some piece to drill after with the engine, so there's no problem to get the coupler to fit. It seems like there's a lot of space to make this work. One of the main problems is the starter engine and how to solve it. But I think I got a solution now. As you see, there's quite a lot of space, even if you got the exhaust on this. May have to cut them off a little bit. One positive thing is, seems like the exhaust doesn't get so hot as I thought. The next problem is to get the cooling to cylinders, but I think I found a solution on that too. I find this a new flywheel, probably for a Kawasaki, I don't know exactly. What I'm going to do now, as I think, is to put that one on the coupler. I have to cut it down and drill a bigger hole to make it fit. So we'll put like this and use the battery box for the starter engine. I don't know exactly what starter engine I'm going to use. I want to use basic as you can buy on the store. I actually got one from a grass cutter, but I'm not sure, it's quite heavy and I want to get some lighter. The engine is a real piece of work. It doesn't weigh almost anything. And here's the engine mounts. So next thing is to attach the engine to the chassis, but I don't think that's gonna be such a big deal. I have already made this piece to the gas, the on and off switch, and also the killing switch. It got a little bit heavier than I expected, but I think it's gonna work pretty fine. And just a wire for this and some kind of thing to strap them. Then you have the bar finish, I think. So next time I hope I solve the problem with the engine mount and the starter engine.